This is a beautiful 1955 Olds 98 Holiday. Holiday meaning the two-door pillarless hardtop. 202 horsepower V8 engine. And that's the owner there, opening the passenger door. We'll talk to him in a minute, or I'll at least tell you what the results were of our conversation. Beautiful red and white combination. I've videoed some other 98 Holidays, but none of this exact combination. Others were cream and red. This is the white and red. Beautiful interior. Power windows, of course. And the car has air conditioning, and that's what I talked to the owner about. Because the vents seemed to give it away, and then I checked, and indeed it did have factory air conditioning, but the parts were unavailable and can't be obtained anymore. So the owner told me he's going to be going to Vintage Air probably to get a replacement system, which seems to me to be a very good move because the parts are modern and available, and everything is efficient, I would say, and up to modern standards, whereas the older type air conditioning is not nearly as efficient. And you can imagine this car was very expensive when new with that air conditioning, because that was a very expensive option for cars at the time. And the evaporator is in the dash, not in the trunk of the car as some early units were. And he's opening the hood, and you can see that compressor there to the left of the screen, and still hooked up. But a new unit will certainly improve the situation and make the car habitable and reasonable during the summer. So I thank the owner for showing me the equipment there that went back to the original installation. Beautiful condition. They were just leaving at this point, so I was fortunate to be able to get this all in video before they departed. I love that two-toning, and I like that island of color there on the side. Gives you the impression of energy, and that's what rocketry is all about, seems to me. So it's very appropriate.